Hey everybody, this is Chris. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for checking out this video. I really want to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel already and left me messages. I've had so many messages and emails from all over the world. I think at the time of making this video, I've got about 66,000 subscribers, but hopefully more I'll have, 100,000 or even more. So thank you everybody for your support. I really appreciate it. And in this video, I want to do something a little bit different. I don't normally do this, but I want to tell you a bit of a story, something about my background and how I came to start making videos about British English and British English pronunciation. And it's probably not what you think. So hopefully you'll find this interesting and you can always use this as listening practice if you're learning English. So I hope you enjoy this video anyway. So why did I start making videos about British accent and British English pronunciation? Well, it goes back to when I was living in China, and some of you might know that I also speak Chinese. I think I have a video on my channel that's actually in Chinese for Chinese speakers. And I also have another channel from the past called Fluent in Mandarin where I teach Chinese. And I was actually living in China for more than 6 years. I was working in China. I've also taught English. I've worked in a lot of different jobs. And I was working as an interpreter. And this means that I was translating between Chinese and English. It's very difficult. Sometimes you have to find out a lot about different industries and you have to be able to translate very technical things. It's a very difficult job because I was doing what's called simultaneous interpretation, which means you listen to somebody on your headphones speaking in Chinese or speaking in English, and you have to speak in the other language. You have to translate for people who are in the audience or on the phone. So I was doing this a lot, and actually I was on the phone. I was actually in a company. I was working for a company, a tech company in China, but I was doing interpreting there in the office on the phone. And the meetings were very long. I was working with some other colleagues and the meetings would be about 3 hours or something. So really, really long meetings. And obviously during this very long meeting, like everybody in a meeting, sometimes I would get bored, right? And a lot of the clients were in the US. And obviously I'm from the UK originally, but a lot of the people listening were in the US. So I just thought, wouldn't it be interesting, because they can't see me, they can only hear me on the phone. So wouldn't it be interesting to try to speak in an American accent? I don't know why I got this idea. I was just bored, basically. And I just thought I would try it. So I just started speaking in an American accent, just like that, on the phone. And nobody ever said anything. Nobody ever said to me, you sound a bit weird, or your accent is a little bit weird, because a lot of the other people talking were Chinese people and they had an American accent as well. So, okay, back to the British accent now. So at the beginning, it was kind of a game, but then I thought, well, if I'm going to do this, if I'm actually going to do this, and people seem to not have a problem with it. So this is fun to me. This is like just something that I can do for my entertainment to make my job a little bit more interesting. And it's not hurting anybody. So I thought, okay, I'll try to become a little bit more professional at this. I'll try to be a professional American accent speaker, just for a challenge, because everybody likes a challenge, right? Everybody likes to improve themselves. So I actually had a book on my computer. It was a PDF book, and I had the CDs and the recordings of American accents. So I started listening to this book like when I was walking along and really learning about the American accent. So I became quite interested in pronunciation, in accents, and all of these different topics. And I thought, okay, well, I've learned to speak in another accent and I think I'm kind of good at it. So why don't I try to make a course or try to make some videos to help other people to learn the British accent, since that's what I speak and it's easy for me to do. So I was in the office, I was working in a tech company, in a job, but on the side, I just thought, well, if I have a little bit of time, I can make some PowerPoints, I can try to make a course, I can produce some materials to help other people learn about the British accent. And I can do recordings because I think I have quite a clear accent and it can help people to improve as well, just like I did with the American accent. And the more I started to produce these materials, the more I found found out about my own language and the way that it is pronounced. And in the end, I went on and recorded all the videos just for fun. I wasn't thinking about anything. I wasn't thinking I'm going to put these videos on YouTube or I'm going to send these videos to friends. I just thought, well, I'll produce the videos just for fun, because just for something to do, right? And to keep myself entertained. And in the end, I just thought, well, if I've produced these videos, I've recorded these videos, why not put them on YouTube? Like, it can help somebody somewhere in the world. So why not just upload it? No expectations. I wasn't thinking that, thousands of people could watch this. I was just, why not? At the beginning, nobody watched it. There were no views. And I didn't care because it's just for fun. But then after a while, I started noticing that more and more people were watching my videos. And especially the beginning videos in the series. I have a series of videos, Master the British Accent, which has now been watched by hundreds of thousands of people, probably millions of people, I think now. And after a while, I started to notice a lot more people were watching these videos. I was really excited. I was like, well, this is great. Maybe I can actually help more people to learn to speak more clearly and help people to improve their accent for people who are interested in the British accent. Because as I say in my other videos, not everybody is interested in learning to speak with a British accent. That's fine. But some people will find these videos useful. So I've been really happy to have so many new subscribers and so many people watching my videos. As I said, thank you so much. I've been so glad to be able to help you through my videos and now through my courses on my website, my full training programs for people who are interested in taking things further. And this is great. So it's great to be able to share things online. This is what the internet is for learning and sharing with each other. So please do continue to watch my videos, continue to leave me comments. I really hope that I can help you. And I hope that you enjoyed my story. So that's all I wanted to say in this video. So let me know what you think. How did you find my videos? What did you think? Are you learning to speak English now? Are you learning to improve your pronunciation? Just let me know who you are and something about your situation. We'd love to hear your story too. Do go on and check out my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, because hopefully I'm going to be uploading more content. And see you very soon.